In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to handle a purchase return and adjust an open bill using Zoho Books. To get started, you'll need to first navigate to the appropriate section in Zoho Books, where we can manage our purchases and bills. Look to your left-hand sidebar and find the option that reads Purchases. This is where we'll be working from. Go ahead and give that a click. Upon clicking Purchases, you'll be presented with several options. You're going to want to look for the one that reads Bills. Click on that to proceed. Once inside the Bills section, your task is to find and select the specific bill that needs adjustment. It might take a moment to locate it, especially if you have many entries, but this step is very crucial. Now that you've found and highlighted the necessary bill, you'll want to look for the More icon. This icon is easily recognizable by its three-dot design. Go ahead and click on that now. A drop-down menu will appear after clicking the More icon. From the list of options in the drop-down menu, you're going to want to select Create Vendor Credits. After clicking Create Vendor Credits, the system will perform an automatic action for you. It's going to create a new vendor credit document. Now, this isn't just any document. It will mirror the details from the bill you previously selected, showing the return amount. This feature allows the credit you're about to create to perfectly match up with the existing bill. At this point, you might need to fill in additional details to properly finalize the vendor credit document. Make sure you fill out all necessary fields. Done? Good. The final step here is to hit either Proceed or Off, depending on what option is given, to complete the creation of the vendor credit. Now, you may be asking, what happens to this vendor credit? How does it affect the original bill? Well, the beauty of Zoho Books is its automation. Once you've successfully created the vendor credit, it will automatically be applied to the open bill you initially selected. This decreases the total amount that you owe. To see this in action, you can revisit the bill's details. There you should see the adjustment reflected, showing your newly lowered outstanding balance. And there you have it. By following these detailed steps, you now know how to make a purchase return and adjust an open bill in Zoho Books. It's fairly simple once you get the hang of it, as you've just experienced. Happy bookkeeping!